Well guys, today I'm going to test the Heco statement vs BMW DM2 Mark II. Let's start these speakers. I'll show you. And so these are the 2008 Heco statements. Yeah, modern speakers vs vintage speakers, the vintage sound. Yeah, so people are very curious what is the difference. I love more the modern sound. Well, some vintage speakers are very good. These speakers are not bad, but I like more a sparkling tweeter, when I explained when I did the review. And some of you do not understand what I meant with that. And today you are going to hear that difference back in this test. And because my microphone takes from 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. So the complete spectrum our ears can hear. So, and some of us can't even hear that 20 Hertz anymore. But anyway, so this microphone, you will exactly hear what the difference is between these speakers, and the difference is huge. Because they are not from the same ampere or ohm, I have to, when I switch over, I have to change also the volume knob. Over here I can see exactly the volume, yes. Well, I'm going to change every time when I switch over. I have to switch back the volume. Yeah, that's it. When I place it on here, it is the BMWs. When I switch it back, yeah, and what I will show you often is this. So this is the Hecos. These are the BMWs. Yeah, so Heco is straight. BMW is to the right, yeah, and then you will hear the difference. But for the BMW, because they are another ohm, I have to, when I do this, yes, I switch it over, I have to make it right for the same sound pressure. The same sound pressure I can read over here, yeah. So I start with the BMW, yeah, and this is how it sounds. BMW. Stilte BMW. Heco. 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 BMW. Stel de Heco's. BMW. BMW. Okay guys, I leave it with this, and as you can hear, the difference is so clear. I think for my ears the difference is huge, and that's why I'm not a fan of old speakers, you know. That's why I don't understand why people pay 1,000, 2,000 euro. I see people ask for JBL L100s. The sound of modern speakers is, they are improved, you understand. For amplifiers it is something different, but you know, speakers from 1979, I don't, okay, they are laid back, okay, I understand that some people prefer that sound, but that's all up to you, not for me. I prefer that modern sparkling sound Heco make. Not every modern speaker is sounding sparkling. Modern BMWs, they do not sound sparkling. I don't mean, what I mean is the speakers from 2,000 euro a pair, with 2,500 euro a pair, those BMWs, they have a more laid back sound as these Hecos. These Hecos are really forwarding sounding. And that's what you can hear, but that's what I like. That's my personal taste. And I can understand how people say, when some other guy will say, I don't like your sound, I prefer BMW. Even there will be guys who are sitting right now, where I'm sitting now, who will say, well, I prefer the BMW sound, you know, because that's a matter of taste, but I do not like the sound. Maybe you heard the difference, and you can make up for yourself if vintage speakers, and in this case, because every vintage speaker sound different, in this case, the BMW is something for you to buy. Thanks for watching. Put those thumbs up. For now I say ciao ciao.